Hello, myself Imani Sharma from RPT campus. In today class, I discuss about the anemia. What is the anemia? Definition of anemia: a deficiency in the size or number of red blood cells or in the amount of hemoglobin. A red blood cell contain decrease in blood hemoglobin below a person's physiologically need. Causes of anemia, that is the lack of required nutrients, loss of blood, that is the demographic factor, dietary factors, and the social physical factors. Lack of required nutrients, loss of the blood, chronic disease, genetic abnormalities, inadequate production of red blood cells. These all are the causes of the anemia. Next is the anemia, hypoproliferative maturation disorders, and hemorrhage hemolysis. In case of hypoproliferative, the marrow damage, iron deficiency, stimulations, that is the renal disease, inflammation, metabolic disease. Next is the maturation disorder, that is the cytoplasmic defect, and the thalassemia, iron deficiency, and the sideroblastic nuclear maturation defect, folate deficiency, vitamin B12 deficiency, and the refractory anemia, blood loss, intravascular hemolysis, autoimmune disease, and the hemoglobinopathy, metabolic membrane defect. These all are the types of anemia. Next is the symptoms of anemia, that is weakness and fatigue, pale skin and gums, irregular heartbeat, and the faintness or dizziness, loss of the appetite. These all are the symptoms of the anemia. Next is the how is anemia diagnosis. Take a patient history, make the visual, auditory, and the tactile observations and measurements. Formulate list of the all possible diagnoses. Administer the clinical laboratory test. These all are the method to how the anemia diagnosis. Next is the assessments, patient history, initial measurement, hematological assessment. Patient history, that is the family history, problems before, changes in the physical appearance, changes in the energy level, height, weight, comparisons, heart rate, noticeable observation, and the urine analysis, laboratory testing. Next is the hematological assessment. To detect the presence of anemia and type, to detect associated nutritional deficiency, indicate the appropriate nutritional support. So there are the criteria for the man and woman. In the case of man, the RBC must be greater than the 4.5 millions and HB must be greater than the 14 gram per day. Packed cell must be 42%. In case of women, there are RBC must be the 4 million, HB must be the 12 gram per day. Packed cell must be the 37%. Next is the laboratory test. What are the laboratory tests for diagnosis of the anemia? Are the CBC, that is the complete blood count of red blood cells, hemoglobin content, hematocrit proportions, TB, that is the blood cells. Blood smear classify the size, that is MCV, leukocytes and platelet count, reticulocytes count. Red blood cells deliver the oxygen to tissue in the body, only live about the 120 days. Also called the erythrocyte, normal RBC level, that is the 5.5, and the 8 millions 4.8, that is the 6 million. So in today class I discuss about the hematological assessment, how to anemia disease, diagnosis, symptoms, and their definition, causes of anemia. Thank you.